Hello guys, in this video we will see Fortnite stuck on connecting screen. Full fix tutorial. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of verify network connectivity and Fortnite server status. Content before diving into complex troubleshooting. Ensure your internet connection is stable and active. Open a web browser and visit a few websites to confirm internet access. Additionally, check the official Fortnite status page, status of the Gamescom or their social media channels, like Twitter, to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance if the servers are down or experiencing problems. There's nothing you can do but wait for Epic Games to resolve them. Also, try restarting your router modem by unplugging it for about seconds and then plugging it back in.
Step perform a full system and application restart. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches causing the connection issue. First, fully close Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher from your taskbar or system. Try to ensure no background processes are running. Next, restart your entire computer. This clears temporary data resets. Network adapters and resolves many software conflicts that might be preventing Fortnite from connecting properly. Once your Epic has restarted, launch the Epic Games launcher as an administrator, and then try to start Fortnite again. Step repair corrupted game files via Epic Games launcher. Content corrupted or missing game files can often lead to various in-game issues, including being stuck on the connecting screen. The Epic Games launcher has a built-in function to verify the integrity of installed game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, navigate to your library, find Fortnite, click on the three dots next to it, and then select Verify. The launcher will scan your Fortnite installation for any discrepancies and automatically download and replace any corrupted or missing files. This process can take some time, depending on your internet speed and the extent of any corruption.
Step for reset network configuration. Then, if content network connection. Problems can sometimes stem from cached information or an outdated configuration. To resolve this, you can perform a flush and renew your IP address. Open command prompt as an administrator. Search for right-click and select Run as administrator in the command prompt window. Type the config flushes and press Enter. Then type the config release and press Enter, followed by a config renew and press Enter. After executing these commands, type netwinsock reset and press Enter. Then restart your computer. This process will clear your cache and re-establish a fresh network connection. Step to adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Content your system's firewall or third-party antivirus software might be incorrectly flagging Fortnite or the Epic Games launcher as a threat, thereby blocking its connection to the game servers. To test if this is the case, temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software and then try launching Fortnite. If the game connects successfully, you'll need to add an exception for Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher within your security software settings to allow them full internet access. Remember to enable your security software immediately after testing or adding the exceptions to maintain your system's protection. Ensure the necessary executables. Fortnite client with shipping X and Epic Games launcher X are permitted.